Hello guys. Alrighty guys, this is Lanzarec for a spa date. Sekhangela nge-reception. This place is so nice. Malin, is passing up?
This is
Okay.
now and all, but it's part of
Okay, of course. T16, and in the same I'm at Lanzarec Spa. Since it's my birthday, this is the changing, ladies changing. Let me change.
I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you. And now it's time to celebrate. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday. Oh, baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready.
Done with changing. Tikabele utshintsha ngoku mani ihambe ndiyofumana i-sparkling. guys, this is their jacuzzi. It's jacuzzi yabodi, but I'm not gonna because I didn't bring my swimwear. Apollo months. This cutting. We suppose this the pet. This is my view. Guys, this is Lanzarec Spa. But welcome and a champagne or a sparkling grape juice because I'm not going sailing, so the sparkling grape juice. Yes, give on this. The birthday vibes. There's mina muthemba ke ndiyobethwa ngumoya kudala ndisebenza ndizophola apho mandihambe ubhatala mna ndibhatele i-995 for le body exfoliation and then ungazisebenzisa zonke ii-facilities zabo, i-jacuzzi, i-swimming pool, i-sauna room ne-tonton room, but ndizoya kuzo ngoku masambini bandasa. Yabo ungaza ngabhatala i-995 yakho uzipholele apha, 1,000 rand nje guys, uzipholele. Yes, zikhona nezo ma 1.5 wethu i-full body massage. Yeah. Ndifuna uzingena zonke ezi facilities zapho. Ndihamba ndiya kulaa sauna room or steaming room. Ndiyakhona. Ndishiye i-tripod yam ngo. Wow. Guys, lena hi-sauna room. Akushushu, akutshisi. Nazi temperatures. Guys, ifoni yami yatsha. Njengoba ningafuni subscribe. Uyabona ndiyabila. Kuyatshisa ihita leya sana nibona ilight epha. Ageke ndiyaphuma guys. Kathi ndiza. I'm coming from the sauna room. I'm dying. Ngathi ndiyapheka. ingathi ndiyaphekwa guys. Akushushu. Yho. Andiyanoba kuthiwa yintoni ke le but iyabanda i-ice. Ihla amanzi sana. Chiza amanzi. Ndiyayoyika le. Andiyanoba kuphuma amanzi. Andiyanoba la manzi aphuma le, yabona la manzi aphumayo. Aphuma entweni engathi yishawa. Andiyanoba athi xa ungenile akusense and then aphume ahle. Ndinqena andimanzise. Ndingephethanga ne-swimming. Hello. Kwanele. Okay, ndiyotraya nongena kulaa nto. Ndibona uba kuza kwenzeka ntoni. Ithando.
I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you. And now it's time to celebrate. 'Cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes. 'Cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby, it's your birthday. Oh, baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready.
Guys, I'm done now with my full body exfoliation. Ndifumene amanzi. Ngoku mandihambe ndiyotya guys, ndihambe. Ndiserestaurant. Here is my meal. I ordered prawns and avil. Nanditye ndizohamba emzini abantu. Guys, ndio-order i-avo and prawns ne-orange juice. Do you feel like clean? Because that's why ngathi ndifuna ukutya healthy ngoku. Oh guys, bekumnandi. Mandigqibezela ukutya emzini abantu ndihambe. Of these facilities were 955 rand. Ndispende loo mali. Ngazana uzophola apha. Phole. Mandihambe guys. Thank you so much. Bye. See you tomorrow on my birthday. Okay, that's good. Hometown. Good. Okay. Guys, ngoku lixesha logoduka. It's time to go home now. I'm done with everything. Ndisebenzise zonke ii-facilities zabo except ezi abendisoyika ndisithi amanzi asengongena kum, so khandingene kuyo. Ndigqibile ke sana, ndigqibile. Anikafuni undibuza nangokuba kuphi apha, khandikhuphe imali nize guys nizozipotopotozo apha, kumnandi apha. Ungayilibali swimming costume xa uzayo, ungafani nam ungene kwijacuzzi nakwi-swimming pool is free. Zi-free zonke ezi facilities, awubhatali extra charge for zona. Ukhupha nje le 995 and then you can use all the facilities. Igama lale ndawo Lanzarec ise-Stellenbosch. Yizani bantase, yizani ngathi khaya nditsho. Mna ibirthday yam ndizoyitya ndipholile. Ndiya-right. Babayini, see you tomorrow. Mandihambe emzini abantu. That's a beautiful place to be. Nangu lo tata ungafuni massage. Kayifuna. Kayibak. Hometown. Hometown. Uposiwe. Uposiwe. Kuma.
Quick.
So zukile zonke zazibekho.
When the right.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog guys. If you are new here, my name is Sake. Welcome to my returning service. Welcome back my dolls, welcome back my day ones. If you haven't joined yet, please join the family. Please join the family guys. Kumnandi apha kwelikhaya. Today date is 17 and it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday Beyonce. Happy birthday to me guys. Today kuyanetha ke sana, kuyanetha eCape Town. Bendiziplane uba ndizawenza ii-activities but andizokwazi sana namhlanje because it's raining. So hamba siye emall siyothenga ikeyiki and then ndibuye ndizawubuya ndipheke. ukutya okushushu because kuyabanda and then asizukwazi uhamba because bendiziplene nyhani uba namhlanje ndizokwenza ii-activities andizukwazi. Before sihambe, let me open my birthday. It's a birthday gift from my husband. Undithengelele perfume. It's Coach Dreams. Yakwa Coach. So sizo-unboxa yona ke ngoku bayi-unboxa nani guys. Unasi-unboxeni ke guys before sihambe ndifuna uyithi fafafa ndive uba inuka kanjani. Thank you to my man. Thank you to my man. No guys, ndiyonwabele kakhulu ibirthday yam namhlanje. Phofu ndivuke ndacilelwa ngabantwana besista zam nomama wam bendicile ukuba ndiculela izolo ke yena ke beyikhawulele becinga fana izolo ibirthday yam kuba semdala wethu so uye wacinga fana izolo so namnqane ndithi hayi mama esacula uthi ebirthday ndithi hayi mom so uye waphinda wacula ke namhlanje kumnandi kwiloo nto. Guys, I hope ni-enjoyile ke sana spa day bendiye kuso. Bekungemandi ndipholile yabona iskin siyaglowa. Let's unbox the gift. Masabeni guys.
Nothing can come in between us, 'cause your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you done for it? Tell me, are you done for it? Boy, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby, it's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby. Move back no more. If you lose our way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready. Nothing can come in between us, 'cause your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you done for it? Tell me, are you done for it? Boy, I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby, it's real, baby. If you lose our way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, baby.
These memories will stay with me.
Unanga pi unanga ka unanga kia